folder. Global family, happy family. Let's see. I'm just looking at this now, even though this is a whole other topic through all the other videos. You see why we need this book, General? We need this book because people are suffering. Mental illness because they don't know how to master their energy. They're immature and evolved, not sure what to say, what to do, when to do it, how to do it. Where's that card? And okay, Uriel is saying, you know what to do. But these people don't know what to do because they were subjected to insane systems to keep them under control. Like what? Like animals. This is what we want to cultivate. And cultivate it in a compassionate way, in tune with emotions, so that people actually respond correctly. Healing the family. You see, healing. Then this person is all stressed out, very worried about family life, the home and the family life. Like there's trouble in the home, and everyone is to themselves, and a lot of single parents needing direction. They need to be loving parents. Now, where does this come in around you? What is this? This is your environment breaking down the family. Mess up the people's energy. In that way, you break up the family and the home. You keep the levels of intellect and intelligence low. Make sure they're disconnected from the emotions and the compassion so that they don't mature. And if they don't mature, then they will be quite happy to be farm laborers and earn $2 per day so that the capitalists can earn 20 trillion for the year. I'm not anti-money, abundance, opulence, wealth. I'm just saying there needs to be a redistribution of wealth. Because, this planet is shared. It's not owned by anyone. Guess who created this planet? So that is why this has to stop. But how? Yeah, the Most High just said, I am coming soon. Hold fast what you have, so that no one may seize your crown. And yesterday's one was, the flesh shall all see the salvation of God. God is coming to heal and restore. When the moon is in the 7th house and Jupiter is aligned with Mars, then peace will guide this planet. been a long time. Peace will guide this planet. So we want to heal the people. Energy healing. From psychotic to you see, when people are immature, or the society is immature, and they're not educated, and education don't mean university degrees only. Whatever you're good at, your skills. Some people are academic and others are practical, etc. But without that skills and that empowerment, we have a crazy society, teen pregnancies and high crime rates. In the home, the parents need to be loving and firm, because children need both love and discipline. They don't just need love. Don't spare the rod to spoil the child. I love children, but spoiled children, no. See, a lot of single parents worried about how do they take care of their families. This is how families were designed by the cosmos. This is how the powers that be, say over the past 1,000 years, each one being a century, they have betrayed us. Change is coming. So what? This is in the past. They kept you small, but the wheel turned. And then going from a single person to a stable married person, where they can have victory in their relationship and being able to guide their children correctly in terms of their mental health and their emotional health, and then obviously their spiritual health, but this is just the basics. The father, the man is the head of the house. I'm completely non-traditional in any way, but according to this, the man must pray for the household family, which is the tradition I come from. But because I haven't actually encountered this level of maturity in general in our society, you just find immature people. But this is the ideal. Oh my gosh, you see? In the environment, they keep you sad, they keep you defeated, they keep you in the state so that they can control you. The environment is not serving the people. This is what you're hoping for. The mothers are hoping for a change for the better, because yes, this is the problem. Yes, this is so. Yes. But now what can we do about it? Like at a global scale, certainly there are some excellent practices in some countries that can be shared with others, etc. Yes, we can save everyone. Every step you're going to take to want to bring in divine justice will be met with opposition. Because they need to keep this environment going and this level of maturity, all that, because they are. I warned you about me. Yeah, you're just a disposable to them. You're disposable. These people that have all this trillion, gazillion, since 1 BC, not a whatever, AC. Why has the ownership not be transferred, and why do they think 8 billion people were created to serve 1,000 people? Who said the earth is this and that you are disposable? You do know you are more than that. We need to rebuild the individual, rebuild the family, rebuild the community, country, continent, globe. And challenges. No, that's just the message I got. That's all I can say. It's been quite a session today.